Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, in the daily newspaper on Thursday, November the 2nd, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. Yes, we have a killer Sudoku here, and in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. The first one is a letter Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, we have 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Alright. Yeah, the first puzzle I will do is a binary puzzle. But what's the news of today? Well, there's a storm here. Storm Ciarán. Yeah, Ciarán. Yeah, it's a storm. We have the first a big storm here this year. Alright, that's the news, weather news. But let me start with this one, the binary puzzle. 12 by 12. Alright, binary puzzle number 7376. And well, this puzzle is too big to record this. Alright, it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 O's and 6 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, Dano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So the rest are ones. Here 1, here 1, here 1, and there 1. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes a 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me see. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Well, between the ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Interesting, this one. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number one. There no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we place number 6 at there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules of this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place the 6th O there, then we have 3 ones again. In this column, not allowed one of the rules of this can be no. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. 2, 3, 4. This one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Come on, come on. Where's the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh damn no. Come on. This is taking too long. We have 1. Oh, here. Double 1. Here no there no. Overlooked. Double O. Here 1 there 1. Double 1. Here no there no. Double O. Here 1 there 1. Double 1. Here no there no. Double O. Here 1 there 1. Double 1. Here no there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be here. Could be there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. Double 1 overlooked. This double 1 here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, double O here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I think we need to compare. We need to compare with number one here. We have here 1 completed, 2 completed, 3 completed rows. Columns 1, 2, 3 also. We have a double one here. This this one and that one. Yeah. 1 empty box. 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. With 1 here, this should be no. With O here, this should be 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Right, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allow one of the rules of this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. That box should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here should be an O and a 1. Could be an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also O and a 1 there. Let me check for here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 6th O, if I place here, the 6th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double 1. Here no. There no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Finish. 40 minutes. Wow. Wow. Tough one. What we need to compare one time. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle or the killer Sudoku. And I want to remind you that we have tomorrow on Friday, the first Friday of the month, a speed test. Yes, until then. Yeah, see you in a minute then. Bye bye for now.